not a big deal. All right, we've been doing some close guard stuff. Tonight, I'm just going to extend it a little bit further with the two things we've already worked on. And I'm going to kind of give you guys a couple things at once, but they're all super simple, and then I'll just walk around and help you guys. We'll go from there. So we worked on, so last week we worked on the top lock here where we came here, and then we ended up doing an arm bar right here. So first option I'm going to give you guys is if they do pull this arm out. So her arm comes out here. It's very easy to obviously just turn this into a triangle. So look, I go up, open, bring her head in, and then close. Don't try to finish the triangle right away. Just close your guard back around, one arm in, one arm out. From here, then we're going to work on pulling the arm across, breaking her posture, shrimping over, and my head needs to go the opposite way from where I was doing the arm bar. So I start off with like, and you guys can, especially the upper belts, you guys can do whatever you want from here, like play around with this. There's omoplatas, arm bars, triangles, all that type of stuff. But when we come here, and then I go here, and then even sometimes before I bring my leg over their face, if their arm slips out, I'll just close it right there. But look, arm bar, my head was this way. So I need to switch. You know how to do a triangle? Okay. You know how to do a triangle? All right, I'll help you guys on that side if you need it. And then we did the pendulum sweep. So here, boom, and then we were coming here and sweeping them. So now I want you guys to get comfortable with playing with, you can do this wrist grip that I showed, or it could have started off with one of any of those 2-on-1 grips I showed here. Boom. But once I get here, I have control over here, right here. So again, I can keep my legs tight and bring this leg over her head, and I have arm bars here. And the same exact option. If I end up going for this, and then she slips that arm out, I can still close right here and take the triangle right here. So I want you guys playing with a little bit of that in-between area right there. Combining the pendulum in that top knot type position. And you can start doing the pendulum from the top lock. I keep saying top knot, top lock. That top lock position, and then finish the pendulum from there if you want to do it that way too. Does this make sense? Everyone understand what I'm getting at?
Can you show the top lock to the pendulum?
So it would just be here like normal. Boom, I just did the top lock here. And now if I want to do like a pendulum, it's going to be more like that one with the wrist right here, here, and then same thing. Boom. It's just like another option. And that's the easier way to get that opportunistic one where you're holding the wrist instead of the 2-on-1. If I'm in the top lock, I'm not going to be trying to break her posture down and hug her to do that. The more traditional one. Good? All right, we got partners ready.